Okay, so this is how to message a friend on Snapchat. So if you have a Snapchat and you don't know how to message a friend or chat a friend, this is how to do it. A lot of people know that Snapchat is only used for taking pictures, but they don't know that Snapchat is also like a social media platform like WhatsApp that can be used to chat with friends and also view stats. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use Snapchat to send a message. So let's start. First of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, then you scroll and search for Snapchat. So when you see Snapchat, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, wait. So after that, you have to do is on the message symbol here, that is one. Just it. So you tap on it. Do is it's going to bring, so here what you have to do is to select the person or the one you want to chat with. So let's say if you want to chat with someone like this, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, you're going to see send chats, then you type in maybe hi or something like that, then you tap on send and boom, it will be sent, and you're going to see me, which is you, over there. So when the person also replies, it will come at the right side. Do you get me? So that's how to chat with a friend on Snapchat. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platforms. Thank you.